guys, welcome back to a new video on my channel for today's crypto update. Today is Monday. We had a little Bitcoin dump a little bit today, but it's nothing to worry. Quickly bought up as well, so I'm just staying behind my thesis that Bitcoin is just ranging here, cooling off, and yeah, the altcoins are primed to pump over the next few weeks, in my opinion. No financial advice, of course. So let's get into the charts right here. We can see our Harmony One trade setup. I'm keeping you up to date here. We hit our first take profit target to the dollar cent. I took some profits already there, and if you can see, we have a pretty strong trend line here where we came down to this Bitcoin drop. We touched the trend line perfectly. That's where I added a little bit to my stack again. And yeah, just the plan is the same since the last video. Just let it ride. Let's see, I think 28 cents, 27. That's a kind of area resistance where I want to take profits. And yeah, honestly, the chart is still looking bullish. Look at the 3 hour, 2 hours, really nice money flow. We have a green dot plus the VWAP. You can see how it curved really well to the upside. So yeah, I'm just letting this thing ride. Let's see where it goes. But I have a pretty interesting new trading setup for you, where I hopefully can get it out pretty quickly, because I think Superfarm is ready to pump. And that's because also here, if we go to the higher time frames, we can see we have a pretty strong trend here to the upside. We're still making higher lows, so we're still in an uptrend for sure on the higher time frames. And we can also pull a Fibonacci retracement from the swing low right here to the swing high, and we can already see there that it's the perfect golden pocket right here. We're again at the golden pocket. Then we have a previous high here, which we're just retesting again, plus we have the trend line which acts as support, and we also have the value area high right here. As you know from our last video, I talked about it, why the value area high and the value area low is so important for me, and I like to trade with it. And yeah, let's look at Market Cypher. What's Market Cypher telling us? We can already see we got a decent bounce here already. But what's really interesting for me, why I took this trade, is here. Obviously, we have a lower low on the momentum waves while still making higher lows right here. That's a bullish divergence, and yeah, just the overall structure is looking nice. Such a good support area right here, plus bullish divergence on the 4 or 3 hour. It's usually pretty strong. It signals, yeah, we might come up. That might be the bottom. Might. Obviously, it's not confirmed anything. If Bitcoin dumps here, then Superfarm and all the other altcoins are obviously gonna dump as well. Yeah, there's just nothing we can do there. But we can prevent, if we have a clear trading setup, if we have a structure, if we have an exit and a take profit strategy. And yeah, that's what I always like to have. And I would put the stop loss below the last swing lows here, and we can see we touched here the $1, $1.03 area. So I would put the stop loss just a little bit below this area, around 98 cents, 99 cents. And yeah, the take profit target would actually be up to here. We had a pretty good risk to reward, 1 to 5 risk to reward trade setup. And yeah, the first take profit would be over here with the point of control, and where we have the most value area here. So that's definitely my first take profit, and then I have these take profits, and then yeah, we just need to look how the charts is looking and how the whole trade setup is looking. But yeah, let's just quickly watch the super BTC chart, which is also pretty important in my opinion, because you want to have a look how the asset is trading against Bitcoin. Otherwise you could only hold Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin outperforms the other altcoins, you can only hold Bitcoin and make more gains than the altcoins. So, but guys, we can see we have a pretty strong support area right here. We can see it resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. Then here it acted as support. It's also so it's pretty strong support. We have a value area high right here, just a little bit down against the Bitcoin pair and the golden pocket right here. So if we drop a little bit lower, super against Bitcoin, then we still have a bunch of support right here. So yeah, higher time frames. We obviously have to wait, If we print a green dot right here, and that would be obviously a pretty bullish sign. If we print a green dot right here, then we have and here we make maybe a lower low and go to the golden pocket. Then we make a lower low right here, higher low right here on the momentum waves against the Bitcoin chart. That would be obviously the strongest indication. Then I would definitely add on in my position. But yeah, guys, let's just see how it plays out. Trade at your own risk. Keep in mind risk management, position sizing, and don't over leverage. Of course, you don't have to trade with leverage. You can just trade on Binance. It's also really fine. I don't think you can actually trade Superfarm, by the way. I didn't even notice. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for joining in here for today's new video, and we will see each other very soon at the next one. Bye bye.